Hello guys and welcome to my channel Turkish Food by Selma. Today I'm gonna make İskender, which is a popular meat dish that originates in Bursa. To make this dish you will be needing 300 grams of kebab meat, 2 pita bread or flatbreads, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 5 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, pepper and chili flakes, and 3 deciliters of boiling water. The breads need to be cut in squares for this dish. The bread squares needs to be around these sizes. Place the bread squares on an oven pan and sprinkle some oil over the bread. Oil is added to make the bread more crispy. Stir the bread so the oil gets evenly on the bread. Add the meat to the frying pan, which is on medium strength. I don't use oil as this meat is oily by itself. Stir the meat and let it fry for 7 or 8 minutes as it is cut in thin slices. On another pan, add the tomato paste first and then add the boiling water. It is very important that the water is hot. Stir the water until the paste is dissolved and the color is like this. Add the spices at this point and stir again. Place the bread first on the plate, then add the meat on top of the bread. Add the tomato sauce on the meat and bread. Add to your taste. It is very Turkish to add a fried tomato and green pepper on the side, along with Turkish yogurt. This dish is for 2 or 3 people. Thank you for watching and afiyet olsun.